Hi, this is Christia from YUTANK. Today we're going to introduce our latest product, gardening planter. So we total have 3 standard sizes and 3 standard colors, but we are the manufacturer, so we support OEM and ODM service for you. So we are consist of 3 sizes of the gardening planter, and the height is 43 centimeters. Today gonna introduce you the middle sizes. Here we go. Open the package, you will find 4 corner panels and 6 pieces of the straight panel. So the corner panel, you can check, it's made of high quality hot-dip galvanized steel material, and the thickness is 0.6 millimeters, which is strong enough as the gardening planter. You can see it is not easy to change the shape. It is powerful enough. And about the powder coatings, we do the environmental friendly powder coatings with matte color. Compared with the glossy color, it is not easy to have the scratchy issues, which is make it more durable. And for the color, we can also do the custom glossy color for you if you have any demand requirement. And for the assembling kit, we prepared you the spanner, the screwdriver, and the stainless steel 304 material screws to connect the panels. And we also have prepared you the protection belts to help you avoid the injuries of the edge of the galvanized panel. It is really easy for the installation. Just put 2 panels together and then use the screws to connect them. Connect the nuts and bolts, and then using our spanner and the screwdriver to tighten the screws like this. So it is really easy for the assemble. Just use the screws to connect the panel. Then we are finished. The garden planter I already finished. Really fantastic and really cute. And the last step, using the protection belt to connect on the edge of the planter, that would be more perfect. So the last step is to install the protection belt to prevent the injuries issue of the edge of the planter. If you want to get more information of our planting bed, welcome to contact us for more details. We have different sizes and color. Welcome to contact us to do the customization. Thank you.